Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I have Dalton today. I'm so excited.
Hello.
He's not. Dalton, we filmed one video before where he did my makeup, but it never ended up on YouTube because it was kind of, he wasn't super comfortable in it. And did we film any other videos? Have you been on my channel at all?
No.
No. I feel like he may have like popped in at one point when I was filming, but not like an actual.
I don't think you filmed while I was here at all.
I feel like I have at least twice. Once or twice in the mornings. No? Oh well. Dalton only comes on the weekends right now until he gets out. But for now, that's all we have to work with.
Yeah.
It's a joy. But because he's my husband now, I was like, come on, you have to be on my channel. So he's here, and we're going to do the husband tag. Well, at least questions that I Googled that were part of the husband tag from forever ago, because, I don't know, I just wanted him on my channel, and we didn't have any, like, I didn't have any introductory video ideas for Dalton. And then, like, maybe after this, once you guys know him a little bit, we can try more fun videos. I would really like to do a channel together, like a vloggy type channel. We gotta get over the stage fright first.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first one is, where did we meet?
Does that
I think you're supposed to answer most of these, but I can answer.
Does that include where we met the first date? Or?
Probably.
Well, we met on Tinder,
and
then we talked for a couple weeks, and then we met. We drove like half and half to meet each other for a first date.
Yeah. You gotta not roll as much, because you're gonna be in and out and the camera is not gonna focus on you.
Okay.
But yeah, we met on Tinder, and we had a good time on our first date. Tinder was weird because it matched us even though we were 200 miles apart. Why is beyond me.
It's Tinder for you.
I know. What was your first impression of me? You can say both, like, when we were just talking and when we first, like, actually met in person. And then I'll do mine.
First impression, when we first started messaging, it was just, you were different to talk to. Like, you're, like, more, like, based on all the other girls I was messaging, you were more fun to talk to. And it just got me interested in you more. And then when I first saw you, I was like, wow.
She's short. No.
Nah. Well, maybe a little. But yeah.
Yeah. When I first met Dalton on Tinder, I thought he was really handsome. And then when we first started talking, I corrected his pickup line.
Oh, Lord.
Like, I was like, this is how that could be better. And then when we met in person, I was like, he's real tall. Okay, so I'm 5'4", and Dalton's 6 feet. So 8 inches is quite the difference between the two of us, but it works out well. He's in a lower chair right now. When did you meet my family?
Do you want to say that?
You can. That's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I guess so.
Like, including, like, how everything went on the first date?
Sure.
Met her family on... So, I didn't go home the first date. I ended up staying here, like,
so he drove
the first 4 days.
all the way back to my house, and he ended up staying for 4 days.
And so, I met basically all of her family that whole weekend.
So, it was we went on a date on Saturday.
Yeah.
And then I think, like, Sunday was my mom's birthday. You left Tuesday, because it was on 96.
I left Tuesday, yeah.
Sunday was my mom's birthday, or Monday, one of them. So, like, my mom was, like, having a dinner and everything, so old Dalton here got to meet her after just having met me. It worked out, though.
Yeah.
You didn't meet my dad right away, though.
Yeah, no, I did. He came
that same weekend?
Mm-hmm, he came here.
Oh, boy. I met your parents
the third weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We went to Tennessee. Did I meet your dad that weekend?
No.
Or just your mom?
Just my mom.
Okay. Alright. How long have we been together?
A year and some change.
Yeah, a year and 2 months, and we've been married for 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Do we have any traditions? Not really. We go through, like, spurts of interests, but we don't really have any traditions.
Your interest consists of friends.
No, but I meant, like, we went through, like, a crumble phase.
Oh, yeah.
Where we went to crumble every single weekend. We go through phases like that, but we don't have traditions. We haven't been together long enough to have traditions like that. Like every year. Plus, we don't live together yet. Because he's not out yet. And I'm not moving to base. How was our first road trip? It would have been in Tennessee.
Yeah, it was in Tennessee.
It was fun. Right? I think it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
We just jammed out the whole time. It's like a 6-hour drive from where I live. So... yeah. Favorite feature about each other. Oh, look at that.
Me first?
Yeah.
Your smile.
Really?
Yeah.
I like a lot of things about you. I really like your shoulders and your arms. I think that's what I said at my bachelorette party.
Oh,
You have really nice eyes, too. His eyes are like a greenish, grayish color. They're really pretty. Okay, what am I good at or not good at? What am I good at and not good at? So you have to say both. I know what I could say if I were you, but you. It's fine. Go ahead.
I don't know, honestly.
I can go first and talk about you if you want.
Yeah.
What are you good at? And what are you not good at?
Seems like you're having trouble too.
I know. Dalton's really good at all things Spider-Man. He knows everything about Spider-Man.
Okay, I'm a nerd. Okay, let's just say that.
But it's only Spider-Man. Like
no, it's with everything.
See,
okay, but like, look.
Anything that's like Marvel.
Okay, I can't help that Spider-Man is awesome. Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, all things Spider-Man. What is he not good at? You're also good at getting the bugs.
Huh?
Getting bugs.
Oh my lord.
Like, we got, oh my goodness, this spider scared the crap out of me in the shower yesterday. The thing was huge.
Gave me a heart attack.
And Dalton had to get it. I made him get it. It was massive, though. What are you not good at? We'll circle back to that.
Okay.
But you still have to say something.
Oh. You're good at everything that comes to friends.
I feel like you copied my answer, but sure, we'll go.
Yeah, well, yeah. Well, who says I can't piggyback off of it?
Okay. I feel like you could have said, I'm not good at making decisions.
You're definitely not good at making decisions. I'll try to include her, and then it's like, I'm not good at making decisions.
I'm not horrible at deciding what we're going to eat, where we're going to eat, where we're going to go, anything like that.
So everything, I make the choice. So.
What do we argue about the most? We don't argue.
Yeah, never.
Ever. Who wears the pants in the relationship? I think I gotta do a little bit more than you do.
No, you don't.
I think it's relatively balanced, and it might lean a little bit towards me.
No.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna have our first argument. No, I'm just picking. Do I have any weird obsessions?
Friends.
I don't think it's weird. Dalton's obsessions are anything that's like any movie that's about to come out. It's like any
movie interests me. What do you mean?
So like it's Spider-Man for the hot minute before No Way Home came out, and then Batman right before Batman came out, and now it's Doctor Strange.
Okay, but like all three Spider-Man were in there. You can't tell me that it's not exciting.
I'm just saying. I don't think Friends is a weird obsession.
Should I take the camera around the house?
No. Nicknames for each other. Smelly. I call you Smelly all the time.
Yeah.
I don't think we have any other nicknames though. If I'm watching TV, what am I watching?
Friends.
Yeah. Dalton will be
Or
watching a movie.
a new one she has is Big Bang Theory.
I haven't watched that in a while though. But yeah. I went through that while you were in Virginia. What do I order what do I order when we go out to eat, to drink?
Water.
Yeah. You order
Sweet
iced tea, like sweet tea or Diet Coke.
Yeah.
What size shoe do I wear?
Varies between a 9 and a 10.
It's more like an 8 to a 9, and then my Crocs are a 10.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You wear a 12.
I do.
Mm-hmm. What would I eat every day if I could? This is easy.
Well, you have, like, it's like different things.
I go through kicks, but there's something that I consistently eat at least twice a week.
Cinnamon rolls.
That's just right now. No, mac and cheese.
Oh,
I
yeah.
eat mac and cheese every other day. What would you eat every day if you could? Reese's Cups. What's my favorite type of music? I think we should skip some of these.
I mean, you listen to country.
Yeah, so do you. You listen to rap too, though.
Country and rap.
I listen to...
Not country rap, though.
Yeah.
No.
No. Where am I from?
Massachusetts.
You're from Chad. Don.
Oh.
Don's from Chattanooga, but he never says that he's from Chattanooga. He never talks about it as Chattanooga. He always says back in chat. Like
I do not say. I say chat.
Back in chat. You sound like some pretentious guy. Like, do you remember that show on I think it was Cartoon Network, and it was 16, and they were like these 16-year-olds that worked at the mall, and they were always at the mall. Like, that was the whole basis of the show. That's what Dalton sounds like when he talks about chat. Chat. Okay. What kind of cake would you bake me on my birthday?
You don't eat cake.
I rarely eat cake.
It's crazy.
I don't. No. It has to have, like, just been made, and even then I'm like,
If it is cake, it's without frosting. And no one eats cake without frosting.
Yeah, I don't like frosting that much. You would have a chocolate cake. I feel like you would eat chocolate cake. No?
Well, I eat any kind of cake, almost.
But what would you have for your birthday? Not chocolate cake? Yellow cake? Red velvet?
Probably just like, yellow cake.
The chocolate frosting? White icing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna skip some of them. What can I spend hours doing?
Watching Friends.
Yeah, or YouTube. Or reading. Do I play any sports?
No.
You played baseball?
When I was just younger.
Yeah. What can you spend hours doing? Playing the Switch or PlayStation or watching movies?
Playing some games, yeah.
Yeah. Who's my best friend? I'm your best friend. Yeah. But like who outside of each other?
Is that like, are you talking about your work or?
Just in general. Who's my best friend? Your best friend is Jacob. Jordan gets an honorary mention.
I want to say Emily. No, not Emily.
If Emily ever watches this video, which I very doubt she will, her Leo ego is going to be so stroked right now. But no, it is not Emily. Danielle.
Oh.
My sister.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What's my eye color? I already said yours. It's green with a hint of gray. What's mine?
It's gonna, What? Look,
You give up?
yeah.
Brown!
Okay, well, I didn't want to say the wrong answer.
Oh, boy. What's my... Well, we're gonna skip that one.
That's what I was saying. I was going to say, like, hazel. Almost.
They're like a light brown. That's all the questions in that one. This one has some... What's your favorite time spending habit? Yours is playing video games. What is mine?
Playing around with makeup or just watching YouTube.
Yeah. What's my least favorite food?
Cake.
I think I like a few things a little bit less than cake. Like, I don't like celery. Or, yeah, I'm not picky. What's your least favorite food? Coconut.
I hate coconut. Especially on cake.
It's so good on cake, though. Like, that's one thing that I will eat. Is, like, the coconut sprinkled on the frosting.
I hate coconut shavings.
What's my least favorite drink?
Soda.
No. I like sweet tea less than soda. Because I'll drink Dr. Pepper. That's it, though. But I will not drink sweet tea at all.
I thought you hated soda the most.
It's not that I hate soda, I just don't like carbonation.
Oh.
So, yeah. I think that's going to be it for all these questions. And we're just going to end the video.
Were all those repetitive?
Oh, that part.
Okay.
Yeah. So, that being said, thank you for coming on my channel, honey.
Anytime, we'll try to make this more of a habit.
We can get Dalton back. I really want to do the brands video where you, like, have to guess, like, you have a food that's name brand and a food that's not name brand, and we have to try to guess which one is the name brand one. I want to do that real bad with you. But we need someone else to be the person that, like, labels them.
What do you mean?
So, like, that way we know which one is which.
Oh.
And we might have to close our eyes for some, because, like, Oreos they have Oreo written on them. So that, I feel like we'll be cheating a little bit.
A little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Instagram. It's at Make Up My Smile. And some more videos will be coming your way. Thank you, honey, for coming.
Of course.
Love you, mean it.
Love you too.
Bye, guys. You know, go say bye.
Bye.